placed on record. The Civil Senator Nwebonyi, you have been battered on the social media, and we even realized that you were, to a large extent, you were very right. The area you were referring to is actually part of the Federal Capital Territory. And so most of the structures you see around the airport environment are actually illegal structures, and because development is yet to get there. So people misunderstood you and thought you were saying they should go and demolish people's villages so that the occupants would be stranded. But that wasn't what you meant. You were insisting that we should try to sanitize the Federal Capital Territory because that area compensation had already been paid, and therefore the people ought not to be there. So just to say that on behalf of the Senate, I apologize to you for the misconception and the misunderstanding. And please bear with Nigerians. That is social media for you. Yes.